Alright, we've been talking about organizing your files. Today we're going to just do that. We're going to organize our Google Drive. Now you probably already have some things in your Google Drive that we've done like through Google Classroom or that you did last year through Google Classroom. So you probably already have some files in here. I don't mean file folders, I just mean files. We're going to create some folders. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the new where it says plus. That means you're going to add something new. And the top one is a folder. So you just click folder, then you're going to name that folder. So let's name the first one Computer Class 2018. So that's for our class. And just click create. So now you have a folder. So anything that we've done in our class, you can just put it into that folder. And there's two ways to do that. You can drag it in there, or you can right click it and you can say move to, and the only one it's got is computer class. You just click there and it's going to put, you go there to move there. So that's two different ways you can do it. Drag and drop is the easiest, but you know, there's another way to do it always. Okay, so now that you have this folder, now I want you to make a folder for each of your classes that you have. I would make a reading folder and I would name it Reading 2018 so you'll know that it's this year. Or you can do Reading 5th grade, however you want to do it. So you need one for reading, so let's create one for reading. (2018-19) and then one for math. And then you might want to do one for writing, social studies, and science. Now I name this one Math 2018-19, and the reading, if I hover over that, it tells me what it is. 2018-19. Social studies I did different. I just said social studies 5th grade. Now, if I were you, I wouldn't do that. I would make them all to say the same. Like it just says 5th grade, you want all of them to say 5th grade. But if you already put 2018-19, you might as well put this one on here. Now, after you make this, you can always right-click it and you can rename it. And it just lets you go back and you can fix whatever you want to. That's up to you. So now that you have all of these folders, you can start placing things in there. And you have set up your filing system for this year. Now, I do want to show you one more thing. Let's go ahead and make another folder, and we can just put this 5th grade year. Alright, so let's create that folder. Now we have this folder that says 5th grade year. I can put this folder in there. 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 And let's actually do the right click and do this way so we can see how this works. Move to 5th grade year and move, and there it goes. So right click, move to 5th grade year, move. And there you go. So then when I open 5th grade year, I've still got all my folders, but they're in a 5th grade year folder. So I can always know that, you know, later on when I go to 6th grade, I can make another folder that says 6th grade year, and I can create all the new folders and do that for each year. And that way, they're not a bunch of folders with different, there's not like 6 math folders right here on the front. So that just helps you to do that. And I do this right here. It just tells me I want to go back to my drive. And you can do that. Alright. So that's just one way that you can create and organize your folders. Now remember, I already said, if this doesn't make sense to you, then you do it how it makes sense to you.